Good morning class 6. This is your English class. Today in this video we are going to read the last part of chapter 4.2 of unit 4, that is about the topic the Panchatantra. In the video number 3 or in the previous video we have already studied the first two part of Panchatantra. And in this video we are going to study the next three parts of Panchatantra. So students, now open page number 101 in your English book. Now see on the top of the page. There is part 3 of Panchatantra, causing dissensions. What dissension means? Dissension means disagreement between people or within a group. Okay. Dissension means disagreement between people or within a group. There is a war between the crows and the owls. Okay, there is a war between the crows and the owls. One of the crows pretends to leave his group. One of the crows pretends to leave his group. Means one of the crows shows falsely that he wants to leave his own group. He gains entry into the owl group. Then this crow that has already left his own group now take an entry in the group of owl and learns their secrets, and after taking the entry in the group of owl, the crow learns all the secrets of the owl group. Then he calls his group to attack the owls. Then the crow calls his own group to attack the owl, because now it is very easy to attack the owl as the crow already took entry in the group of owl and knew all their secrets. So that's why now it is very easy to attack the owl group for the crows. They set fire to the cave where the owls live. They means crows. Crows, the group of crows set fire to the cave where the owls live. This book contains around 18 stories. This book means book 3 of Panchatantra contains about 18 stories. Book 3 of Panchatantra contains around 18 stories. Number 4, separation. Okay, a crocodile conspires. Conspires means what? Conspires means makes a secret plan. Okay, a crocodile conspires to acquire the heart of a monkey to heal his wife. Acquire means what? Acquire means gain or get. So a crocodile makes a secret plan to get the heart of a monkey to heal his wife. Okay, so a crocodile makes a secret plan to get the heart of a monkey to heal his wife. When the monkey finds out this plan, he uses his wits and saves himself. When the monkey comes to know the secret of the crocodile, then he uses his own intelligence and save himself. Now number 5, part 3 of Panchatantra, hasty action. Okay, see, hasty means what? Hasty means made or done very quickly. Okay, hasty means made or done very quickly. A Brahman leaves his child with a friendly mongoose. Mongoose means what? Mongoose means a small animal that kills rats, snakes, etc. Mongoose means a small animal that kills rats, snakes, etc. So, a Brahman leaves his child with a friendly mongoose. Okay. When he returns, he sees blood on the mongoose's mouth. Okay. A Brahmin leaves his own child with a friendly mongoose. Okay. And when the Brahman returns, he sees blood in the mouth of the mongoose. Thinking that the animal has killed his child, the Brahman kills the mongoose. The Brahman thinks that the animal means the mongoose has killed his child. That's why the Brahman kills the mongoose. Okay. After returning, the Brahman sees that there is blood in the mouth of mongoose, and he thinks that the mongoose may kill his own child. That's why there is blood in his mouth, and then the Brahman killed the mongoose because he thinks the mongoose has killed his child. That's why the Brahman also killed the mongoose. Later he finds that the child is safe and that the mongoose has saved the child from a snake. Later the Brahman finds out that his own child is safe and the mongoose has saved the child from a snake. That's why there was blood in the mouth of the mongoose. The Brahman regrets his imprudence, but now it is too late. Okay. Imprudence means what? Imprudence means something unwise or foolish. Okay. So the Brahman regrets for his wrongdoing. The Brahman regrets for his wrongdoing, but it became too late for the Brahman. Too late means it became too late as he has already killed the mongoose who has saved his own child by killing a snake. And it was a misunderstanding for the Brahman. That's why he killed the snake. But it became too late. So students, you have to read to this portion. You have to read the whole chapter properly.